Okay, let's read the risk disclosure disclaimer. I have a weak back over here.
What's up?
Sick week is over here.
How's it going? Welcome to the show. We're doing a lot of good trades today. Monitoring the markets. This is gonna be sick.
All right, let's. It's very dangerous to trade any financial instruments. Trade with the money, you can lose. All right, we are not here as advisors or anything. We don't have license for that. This is just for a game. We are not educational institution. So just take it the way you want it. So what's happened in the markets? We're waiting for Senate and their decision. They're saying hopefully that there's going to be a vote. They said yesterday too.
We got 4 minutes until opening bell.
All right. Apple is up.
Apple's way up.
Tesla is up.
Tesla's way up, 473.
All right.
Big difference from what was it at a couple days ago? It was like 320, wasn't it?
I don't know. I didn't follow that.
330, I bet you.
All right. Please pause that video and read that, and so we can go on. Okay, let's go take on daily. We're making support for now over here. Looks like we're having bounce. Somewhere we should meet with the bottom of this band, with the bottom lines, which is now at 79.85, so that's 8,000. So that means we have about 650 points run, unless we go all the way to this magenta band or resistance zone right now. Okay, so we'll wait for that decision. Looks like markets are again halted. They must have reached
Upper limit.
upper limit, yeah, up limit. Let's see what's happening with what do I have here? CL oil,
Oh,
24.37.
a little bit of rebound.
Yeah,
What was that at 22 earlier?
yeah, it was the other day 26 cents. Yeah, but it went
Oh,
to
just 20?
27. Yeah, but then went to 27, so it's between 27 and.
Wow.
See, look
That's
at this
so cheap.
sideways. Yeah, look at this sideways, and up, down, around,
It's so oversold.
everywhere. Okay. All right, so we're going to trade today ES and MES as a hedge, and once market start, I'll be back. All right, here we go.
Yep, market's just opened.
So which one is that?
The mountain.
How much is?
See how it opened it? It's
Yeah, well, how much is?
151. Was 155. My trade price was 155.
Oh, so you want 51?
Yeah, it's.
Oh, all right.
I'm only down $300 right now.
All right.
Apple.
All right, let's see well, we are running up definitely.
Oh, let me lower my
Yeah,
price
yeah.
of Apple right here. Look, it's touching.
Not yet. Okay, let's see if we can make a trade over here while we're waiting for Senate.
I will. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and watch. Right now, it looks like the market just went up, and then now everything is coming back down. So
What they're saying on CNBC, how much is up Dow? How much it opened up? 900 points or
it's on a delay,
yeah,
up 1,000 points
1,000 points?
on
Okay.
open, but
That's
not
great.
for long because everything's coming down right now.
Oh, there's a still run. Look at this.
Tesla's still running.
Yeah.
490 right now, probably
490.
490.
Oh, that's a great. That's great.
Yeah.
Let's go buy some.
Man, wish I hadn't sold it.
Let's go buy over here some ES. And if it goes against us, we'll just go and hedge with MES. There was a good day yesterday too. I think I made like a 4,000 points or something
Oh,
in
no
half
way.
hour. Yeah, in half hour.
Wow.
I tried to hedge, couldn't even hedge that much.
Oh, look.
Everything
Tesla
was-
just bottomed out. That's a great shorting area. That. One big green, one big red.
Is that 200? Is that 200?
No.
Huh?
What?
Is that 200? What's this line?
That's just a regression line. That's
Okay.
Fibonacci.
Oh,
This is
oh yeah, that's too far.
yeah.
But,
That's gonna
Don't forget that.
no.
No. Look at this. Look at the ES is running up there.
Oh yeah. Tesla's
Yeah, it was a big buy and everything.
Mountain's doing a lot better.
How much is mine now?
151.
All right, let them run.
You see the red? It's so far from the red. But
Yeah.
again, this is only
It's open.
it doesn't count for aftermarket.
Yeah. All right, we're almost here with our target profit. Look at there. That's only one. Let's just look at those moves. Look at those moves. Are they gonna touch us? Yeah. And there's one and done. 525 points on one contract,
Wow.
and you're done. There's no need to trade anymore. That's just per one contract, and just based on these indicators. That's all. As you can see, when we are oversold, overbought, pretty soon we're gonna be in overbought territory.
Oh, it's running.
Every time we are overbought, there's a pullback, chance to make money right here, like right here. So I'm going every morning over this. There's a chance right there, right here. There's a little one here. Even if we bought every 2 minutes, few contracts, we will make good money. Sometimes they develop, this was yesterday, sometimes they develop this run, but what a great, if you just follow and buy, sell more contracts, great profit here. and that happened. It took an hour and a half, thousands of dollars. But there's those big moves, and so on. Most of the time they'll just get above and a nice pullback. So just we are trading with these indicators. So for now we are great. We did already nice trade. We could just go and have do something else. And we will go press change.
Boeing is a great buy.
Oh yeah, Boeing is great. Yeah, Boeing is just they're announcing. President said yesterday they're gonna be putting money to Boeing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
They were just at $95. Now they're at 123. That's over 30%.
yeah, they're gonna be running. That was what, $300, $400 stock. I don't know how much exactly.
I'll buy some right now. Because the lines are close.
Okay, let's. You're still running. This is not time to sell yet. We'll take a look over here. What's with your okay, there's again. We went overbought, and look at that move back down. Look at that move down. Look at that week. How far that was. I was
Yeah.
here talking to you, and then meantime this happened exactly.
I just cashed out of Las Vegas Sands and made
Alright.
myself $65.
All right,
Can you believe it?
that was quick. All right, so we made in the first 2 minutes, we made 425 points. That's a great trade. All right, I think there's going to be some support zone over here. It's at EMA 8. We may be having a developing run over here. So we'll just be a little bit choosy. We'll wait.
That was up 13.
All right, let's go. What's happening here? Let's buy over
Order
here.
filled.
Just because we're bouncing from 20. Let's see, EMA8 and the 20 SMA. EMA8 is acting as a resistance. Hopefully we're gonna break it.
Look at that cross. It's getting a cross.
Who is that?
Apple.
Oh yeah. Well, we're having here on in ES.
Is it a good buy on the light when it crosses?
When it pulls back. Are we making any money? Just a few ticks.
Oh, we're doing great.
All right, here on the ES. Let's see if we can,
Order submitted.
if it can reach our target.
Oh, we're crossed.
Now price needs to come there, yeah. All right, we almost were there. Almost touched our price. Let's see if it, we'll leave that yes there. Look at CL. Let's buy one CL. It's
Order
overbought. Oversold, I mean.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can have a successful trade in the oil. Okay, yes, is we'll just close, have
Order
that
filled.
good trade. Oil is going up.
Apple. We're in. Pull back.
Okay, let's see if we can make a good trade in oil. And we're just doing trades over here based on indicators when it's oversold or overbought.
All the good information. 8 EMA, 20, and 200 is all you need to know. What was that?
All right, we were going in positive with oil trade and then now it's against us, so let's see where it's gonna end up. Just go with our profit target right here for now.
My average price of Apple, 244. Only 150 shares right now. This is great.
All right, we are here, but oil is still won't go in our favor. It was, we got to buy more,
Order filled.
lower the price, get here, hopefully hits our target
Order submitted.
this time, and we'll get out with a good trade. Let's see if we can be that lucky on there.
There's Mountain.
All right, we are here. We got another good trade with oil too. So we are made a few good trades. We'll move that oil there. Let's pay attention. And yes, ES could run a little bit more. Let's see if we can make 1,000 points. Let's just go by.
Order filled.
Uh,
Order submitted.
all I want to see if we can make 1,000 points this morning. That's all we need.
Okay. Ooh, this year. This is great.
Yeah, you're doing great now. You're doing wonderful. You made money on MTN.
Yeah.
Yeah, you made money on Las Vegas Saints.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And you're gonna be making money on Apple. Apple is running.
Yeah, it is.
All right.
Running big time.
Yeah, you bought.
237.
Yeah, you bought some shares. You're now in positive already.
No, it's still negative.
Yeah, I know, but overall, but you're still.
But
You
for
just
the
bought
ones-
some. Yeah, you just
For the
bought.
ones that I just bought,
Yeah.
those were at 236.
All right. Yeah.
So I'm up $1.50.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, you made 8.
You just manage your trade and you come out good. That's why we're
Oh,
showing
this is
here.
crazy.
Yeah, that's
So
what we're
for you
showing.
guys listening, make sure you listen to Joe. He has all the good indicators and the good information. Don't forget, you can find the bands in the description.
All right, well, market is pulling back. I'll
It
buy
is.
more. I'll buy more over here.
Order filled.
Okay, what yes, it's trying start getting into our profit, but then it's pulling back.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll it's taking a little bit of time. As soon as we get in profit, we'll just come out. It's too much time. Don't like to wait too long, especially when it's in the middle like this.
Okay.
We're just showing over here. We don't like to buy or sell in the middle. It's much better when it's overbought, oversold.
Yeah. Because you have a better sense of what direction
Yeah,
we're going
over
to go.
here, right now markets are showing long over here, but you never know, what can happen. I mean, 80s or 20, they're still saying there's a bounce always from 20, but you never know. So we'll wait a little bit longer. If we need to buy more, we'll buy more. All right, there we go. We only 800 points. We just made a few ticks. Okay. Well, I want to make those 1,000 points, and we are already 33 minutes. Let's go
Order
buy
filled.
again. We're
Order
only
submitted.
a little bit behind the schedule. I will make 1,000 points this morning. It's taking time. Well, just looking on because we have EMA 8 over 20, and that 20 is acting as a support. Yeah, price goes down a little bit further, but it's always bounce. And I think Senate should be coming out today with their decision with the package. Then we should have a huge run.
Imagine if it doesn't.
No, they'll come up with the positive news either today, tomorrow, doesn't matter, but they'll come out.
It's because of Nancy Pelosi.
I don't know who's stopping what they're doing. Don't read much, but I just see headlines. All right, over here they're setting up for a run. You see, yes, it's setting up. So let's. We'll be back. I'll change maybe this one to NQ. See what NQ is doing. I mean, as long as you're well funded, you know, there shouldn't be any problem making good trades. As we make this, it will be like 33rd, 34th day in a row that we're making money.
Imagine if that was my account.
And
I just retired.
Yeah, everything's open here. You can see everything, you know, every trade I make. But it's just the point is managing the trades. If you don't manage, forget it. You're not gonna be always in a good trade right away.
Well, that's because you, unlike me, I go all in, and then you buy one share at a time and you handle it very well.
Yeah, that's why we're making money.
I lost so much money on Tesla because I did that. I lost $20 a share off of like.
Yeah, but if you manage, if you managed, you wouldn't be losing any money.
Exactly.
You would be making money.
Exactly.
So that's the whole point.
So.
Only indicator is gonna help you. It's this one, the Quant007 pullback zone. Just because we can use them in different ways, and then especially this overbought, oversold.
You should have like a music for that. Like,
oh, I have that music. Watch my video, one of my videos. Oh, that stuff.
It's time for the Quant007, a pullback zone.
Yeah, you should use. We should use your voice for like.
I used to do radio, so I can do it for you. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You're listening to the Quant007.
All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. We have 1,000 points. That's the whole point in trading. You got to learn how to manage the trades. Mm-hmm. You're not gonna be always in a good trade, but as long as you know how to manage what to do, you'll be just fine.
Oh yeah.
You'll be nothing but making money.
Mm-hmm.
Don't go with all your money first time. Mm-hmm. If it goes your way, start adding. Mm-hmm. If it goes against you, then just start lowering your price. But at the right places, you need to buy.
When it's about to sell.
When it goes against you.
Sell. See, I bought it at $2.36. Yeah. And I'm gonna sell for $1.50 extra.
All right.
Try to walk my way out of the trade, you know.
Yeah. That's what you got to manage. All right. Here we got 200. Let me lower it.
Wait for execution. Boom.
I want to see here.
I'll sell another one. Up there. Try to get out of this bad trade I made.
Order filled.
All right, we're over 1,000 points in 37 minutes. Took a little bit of time this morning, but markets are not moving that much, so we'll look for another one. I'll be right back.
Guys, we're
Good.
back.
All right. Yeah.
We made a ton of money today. Well, we call them points here
Yeah.
on Ninja, and it's just insane.
Yeah.
Imagine if you had Joe managing your portfolio. I mean, you'd be
Joe
a
is not advisor. Joe
You-
doesn't have a license for that.
but you'd be a billionaire by now.
No, it just you're just having some fun over here. So you guys just manage your trade, and that's it. Not every trade is gonna go your way. Don't jump with all your money at once.
But he can't lose money. He can't lose money on these trades.
This is 34, 30, 33 or 34 day that
34 days.
that we are straight in a profit.
And you guys know there's millions of people out there losing money today, you know, because maybe they decided to get in on a short, or, you know, do some bad portfolio management, and, you know, they're down their whole life savings. You know, people like me, and then Joe's trying to help me out. So
It's right. We'll make it. Just be careful
it's
there.
great. So make sure you listen to Joe. He has all the good tips and all the great indicators.
Let's watch this rally when it happens. Most likely it's gonna be sucker rally when it happens over here, hitting even this from this band bottom lines, or maybe even going all the way to the upper line or this magenta color. Now it's resistance zone. So this is not over. We'll see. So now every company is gonna miss their quarter earnings. So we'll see how bad it's gonna get, what's going on. We'll just go day by day, news by news.
Mm-hmm.
This morning we made a few trades, end up with 1,025 points, and then we'll do that tomorrow again. So until then, we'll talk to you in another video.
We'll see you later.
Alright, bye bye.